Why don't senior citizens play hide and seek with the best small SUVs for 2022? Because the moment they find the perfect one, they forget where they parked it. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on best small SUV for seniors 2022. Tip 1. Prioritize comfort and easy accessibility. When looking for the best small SUV for seniors in 2022, consider models that offer maximum comfort and easy accessibility. Choose an SUV with automatic doors and comfortable seating. Adjustable seats, heated and ventilated seats will add to the comfort quotient. A low step-in height makes getting in and out easier for seniors. Tip 2. Safety features. Always consider vehicles that have the best safety features. Features such as automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitors, lane keeping assist, and rear view cameras can aid seniors while driving. The more safety features the SUV has, the better. Tip 3. Reliable navigation system. Many seniors may struggle with using mobile-based navigation apps. Therefore, opting for an SUV with an easy-to-use and highly reliable built-in navigation system is highly recommended. Tip 4. Consider size and maneuverability. While most seniors might prefer smaller cars that are easier to maneuver and park, make sure there's enough interior space to accommodate their needs. Choose an SUV that combines compactness with spacious interiors. Tip 5. Automatic transmission. An SUV with automatic transmission is definitely a better choice for seniors. It's easier to deal with than manual equivalents, especially in heavy traffic conditions. Tip 6. Good visibility. Good visibility is critical. Opt for SUVs that provide unobstructed 360-degree visibility. Features such as rear-view cameras and blind spot detection can supplement visibility. Tip 7. Maintenance and fuel efficiency. Choose a brand and model known for its reliability and low maintenance. Additionally, consider the fuel efficiency of the SUV, as this will have long-term impacts on running costs. Tip 8. Advanced cruise control. This feature helps reduce driver fatigue and adds an extra layer of safety, especially for highway driving. It can adjust the vehicle's speed automatically to maintain a safe distance from vehicles ahead. Tip 9. Easy control operation. Controls should be easy to read and operate. Complex infotainment systems can be confusing for seniors. The simpler, the better. Tip 10. Consider the SUV's ground clearance. Higher ground clearance eases the in and out process and also helps in negotiating bumps without causing discomfort. However, too high can make it difficult to enter and exit the vehicle. A balance should be struck here. Tip 11. Financing options and warranty. If buying new, consider brands that offer good financing options and an extended warranty. This could save a great deal of maintenance money in the long run. Ensure the warranty cover major parts for a considerable number of years or miles.